guys, look at this. This is their bathroom, guys. Here in Sofitel, guys. Wait lang, guys. That's my bathtub, guys. And this is the bathtub. And this is their shower. Wow, Balmain. Look at their shampoo. Balmain Paris. Wow, guys, soon I'm going to Paris, guys. Soon, very soon. It's very nice, guys. Do we have ref here? So I have to check it. So we have ice here, and this is our ref. I saw it. Personal ref. Is it?
Huh?
Our ref?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a personal ref, guys. Oh, yes.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it's very fancy, guys.
Let's see.
Very fancy. It's like a high-tech. So we have ice here. If you need ice. If you want coffee. We have 2 glasses. Where's our wine, honey? Wine.
I put it in my
The
backpack.
carbonate.
It's in my backpack.
Okay. And then we have
Just relax here.
coffee here. Oh yeah. And there is, but no more tea.
Okay.
No tea. So we have an alarm here, guys. What is this? Sofitel mobile. Oh, is this is a milk?
What is that?
Is this a milk?
I think
Hotel?
it's water.
Really?
Yeah.
It's water?
Spring water, yeah.
Oh wow, look at this.
Because
Look at this,
everything
guys.
here is, you know, environmentally friendly. So
Really?
no plastic.
No plastic.
Keys are made of wood. The water
Look, guys, our
is
uh,
made of,
water here in Sofitel.
it's
It look like I thought it was a milk.
yeah, it looks like milk.
Yeah, look like milk because I was buying a milk always, something like this.
Oh yeah, oh
Oh, guys.
guys, the photos.
This is my magazine, Washingtonian Great Places to Live. I have another magazine from Washington DC, guys. Oh, very fancy, guys. And look at that frame, and that's me in the headboard. Look, that's me.
That's you.
That's me, guys.
It's you.
It's you. It's you're the problem. It's you. Oh, it's very nice, guys. Very nice room to stay. And I want this. Tomorrow, I'll visit the Capitol Hill, guys. So, see you there. Because I'm watching the Blacklist show. So, it's all in shoot in Capitol Hill.
Oh
Yeah, you remember that?
yeah. Let's see, what's this?
How beautiful it is. It's beautiful, guys.